Okay. Okay, we got a stop sign coming up, though. Okay, here, I'll check and see if it's clear.
Huh?
I'll make sure it's clear. Okay, you're good. You're clear. Come on. Doing good. Uh-huh. I'm videoing you, too.
No. What, are you going to put it on YouTube or something?
No. Okay, I'm waiting for you, honey.
I like him.
So what do you think, Hayden? You cool to go on more bike rides now?
Yeah.
Good. You can do one every day? It's fun, huh?